Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track IP address and phone number using a tool called Ghost Track. This demo is for educational purposes. Vathos Technologies will not be held responsible for any misuse of information shared in this video. Alright, quickly let's dive into it. So this is where you'll be coming. So just if you open new tab, so just say Ghost Track. So Ghost Track digital. Ghost Track digital. So go to this first link you see here. So this is it here. So you can track phone number, you can track IP address, you can track username. So as you can see, if you track username, it's going to bring so many social media username of your target. So this is how to come here. So this is how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is to copy it. You copy the code. So you come to your terminal, you open your terminal. So it says, let me just go to my root. Okay, so you put your password, and that is it. So the next thing we do is you say git glue, right? So you paste the link, you copy it, so you hit enter. Okay, so I have this thing here already, so I don't want to be doing that. So after doing that, you say ls. Okay, after saying ls, we will go to this directory. Okay, so it says cd. I paste this here. cd, I press this here. I hit okay, so I'm in the directory now. Let me say cd again, say ls again. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is that this is the requirement you'll be installing, but before that we're going to install the tool. We're going to install Python 3. So say Python 3, say -m, Python 3 -m. So whatever I write here, just write it there. So just write this directory I'm writing here. So this is going to be installed. So once it's installed, the next command you are going to write is source. It says source, okay, /bin/activate. So we are going to be activating this to activate. So that is it. So it's done. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is to install this requirement. Alright, install this requirement. So where is the requirement? Yeah, this requirement. So let me just copy it. And I will say pip3 install -r. So you paste the requirement.test, which is tst. Alright, so I'm going to hit OK. So it's going to be installed. So after it's done installing, as you can see, it says that the requirement already satisfied, which means I have it already. So now let me open the tool. So to open the tool, which is Ghost Track, you're going to say go Python. So you copy this guy here. So you paste it. So that's all. Hit enter. So this tool is going to be opened. As you can see, if you have your IP address, you just have to write option 1. You have you want it to show your IP address, you put option 2. You want to track phone number, put option 3. So now I don't have any IP address. I don't want to use my IP address, and I don't want it to show my system IP address. So let me just track a random phone number. Okay, so let me just track a random phone number. So let me say 3. Alright, 3. Alright, so yeah. So let me say plus 234. Just say plus 234. Let me just put a random number here. So it's 70. So 59. Just say 17. Let's say 48. 868. Okay, so I just want to. This is not my phone number. Don't track it. I'm just putting a random phone number. Alright, so let me check if it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's complete. So let me just say, okay, so as you can see, it has brought the information. So we have the location, which is Nigeria. We have the region code, which is NG, means Nigeria, time zone Africa, Lagos, and it's telling us that this operation is belong to this service, which is Glow. So as you can see, it told us other information here. So it's telling us that this is a mobile number, though that this tool is not that advanced. It does not really tell you the exact location. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't tell you the exact location, but it takes you some details, basic details about your target. Okay, it doesn't show you the exact, so it shows you basic details. Okay, it said press enter to continue. So let me press enter here. All right, so you can also track username, you also track IP address, but just do it. So if I want to track username, I will just click on OK, then I will track the username I want to track. So let me just write my name, Ericson. Okay, it is going to bring so many links and about this username. So it's still searching it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. It's very important. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you. So let's wait for it. So just track your own IP address. Okay, track your own IP address. I don't know why it's wasting time, but let me just quit it. It works. So if it doesn't, just try it again. I know it works. It works. So just try it on your own and play around with it. Okay, it works. Though it doesn't, it shows you the basic information about the target. It doesn't show you the exact location. Okay, so that is it about this. For this ghost tool, that is it about it. Okay, this ghost track shows you basic information about your target. No, it doesn't show you the exact location of your target. No, it doesn't. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. I'll see you in our next training. Thank you.